Hey everyone, I'm Ethan from Zappos.com and this is the Buller B ABX 4 from Geox Kids. These durable sneakers are going to be your kids' best friends as they go out to play because they have a very hardy, stable design with plenty of comfort on the inside as well. These shoes are made with a synthetic and textile upper with a hook and loop closure across the vamp there with elastic laces under it to make sure it's secure. It's got a pull loop on the heel and the tongue there to get this shoe on much quicker. It's got a mesh lining with plenty of cushioning on the collar and the tongue to really hug the foot. It's got a memory foam like footbed in the bottom there. It's going to give them plenty of comfort. It also has an easy to clean design. It's going to promote better hygiene. It all sits on top of a flexible rubber outsole with all these extra rubber pods around for more tread for traction. And it's got this patented Geox design here with all these perforated holes. It makes it just so where all moisture from sweat or anything else that goes inside the shoe can drain out the bottom, but they're designed so that water can't go back in them, so it keeps a very clean and dry foot environment. Designed to be super comfortable and durable, your kids are going to love playing outside when they're wearing these shoes. They're from Geox Kids.